Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have this month's ZENPOP box. So excited. It's definitely one of the boxes that I always look forward to every single month. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is August's box, which I really love how I feel like they come a little bit earlier on time, so it feels like I'm not missing out, if that makes sense. Some boxes feel like they come really late. And this is the summer festival, so let's see. Okay, so we've got some pens here. Oh, I think I have one really similar to this from a previous box. I have to pull it out when I test these pens out at the end of the video. So we have some washi tape. I'll just quickly open. Ooh, this is really nice. Do you see the sticker in front of it? It's got like really nice foiling on it. Okay, let me quickly open these up. Okay, so these are the two washi tapes. You've got one here which is a bunch of goldfish. I thought they were koi at first, but when I was looking at the instruction pamphlet, it's actually based off a children's game where like children would try to scoop out goldfish from a tank. So these are goldfish. And this one is so nice. Look at the foiling. And I don't know if it's obvious on camera, but it's actually like a bunch of different types of bells. Like wind chimes almost. So yeah, very, very unique. This is so funny. So these are post-it notes. So we've got like sumo wrestler post-it notes. That is so cute. I'm like, ooh, okay, I didn't realize there was like some colors down here as well. And then we have like a little notepad. I'm just gonna open it up because there's a bit of a raise in it. Okay, so these feel so special. They're like, I don't know how to, ooh. Okay, just losing stuff here. So the texture is really, really unique. I'm not sure if the camera is showing it at all, but there's like a bit of texture running through the paper. It's smooth, but it's like you can see, I don't know, like, not wood grains, but something to that effect. I seriously don't think it's going to show up on camera. At least when I'm looking at the viewfinder, it looks like very pale, like white. Can you see that the top part here is also a little raised? So they're like little decals or stickers they've put on. And yeah, so you've got a bunch of cards on the other side. It's well, maybe you can see a little, yeah, you can kind of see the texture a bit better here. There you go. See the like the grains or the patterns. Just I don't know, these just feel really special. And I think these are little envelopes. I don't think these are supposed to come together. No, size wise they don't fit, but these are beautiful little envelopes as well. You get 3 little envelopes and they have like the cutest kittens in the front. I'm like obsessed with cats. And I think I've seen that like dog. Oh, it's escaping me now. But there's a dog online that like eats watermelon and it's so cute. And I wish my cats would love watermelon, but they don't. Although these ones seem to like watermelon. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but their mouths are kind of full. Like they have big cheeks and they're spitting out the pips. See it. I just love the detail when it comes to these sort of things. Like, it's not just plain paper or plain envelopes. Like, there's so much detail to it. Okay, next, I think it's a post-it note? No, I think this is like a postcard. It looks like handmade. Like, the painting here, it looks like someone actually did paint it with, like, watercolors or something like that. But you get 3 postcards. And now we've got some stickers. Oh, they're little, like, Shiba stickers. This is so cute. Oh, okay, I don't know if it's clear now that my hand's the backdrop. Let me do this, that's better. And they're perfectly flat. So I'm actually going to use these in my bullet journal because, as you guys know, I don't like puffy stickers because they add bulk to my planners, but these are flat and so cute. And then last item, I think this is a fan. Like, it looks like a fan. Yeah. With twin stars in their kimonos, yukatas. I feel like it's more than a fan. Okay, so you have, oh, all right. I think I see it now. Got like a little card here and an envelope. So I guess you could like write, I don't know, would you put this in here? Or is it are they combined? Okay. You actually give this to a friend. I'm not going to be so generous. I'm keeping this for sure. So I'm not going to be giving this to anybody, but like you can, if it's like a hot day or something like that, you have this fan and then you write a little note and then it all fits in the envelope so you can gift it to someone. Cool. So that's everything in this month's box. I'm going to put this aside and let's go test out those pens. Okay, so this is the first pen that we got. and it is kind of like a brush pen. So if you've been watching a few of my ZENPOP box videos, then you'll know that this one came in, I want to say 6 months ago. I'm not 100% sure. I feel like they'd be the same. They look really identical from the outside, but let's test it out and see if they are. So dual tip, I think this is the smaller side. Okay, I had focusing issues last time, so let's try and make sure we stay focused. Yeah, oh, it's so nice. It's so pigmented. So that's the fine side, and this is the thicker side. Similar texture, yeah. Oh, it's so nice. The ink smells, I don't know how to describe it, okay? The ink smells like sandalwood. That's what it's saying. To me, it just smells like scented wood, but the ink itself doesn't smell like any other ink I've ever smelled. Like literally, it smells like wood, like a certain sort of fragrance. So just to make sure it's the same, let's just do a quick comparison. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely the same as the previous one I got. So let's move on to the next one. And this is actually a pencil. Okay, it's not a pen at all. So it's a energized pencil 0.5, just like this. Very comfortable in the hand. And yeah, writes really smooth, but it could be the lead, not necessarily the pen. It really often depends on what sort of lead you have, but it's really, really nice. But yeah, that's all the pens, and let's just do a quick flip through so we can see what it looks like in the back. You can kind of get a feel for what the shadow through is like. And yeah, that's everything in this month's ZENPOP box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your favorite item is. Thanks so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.